Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make marshmallow Easter bark. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 12 ounces of white chocolate chips or melting chocolate, just some kind of white chocolate. Then you need 3 cups of the mini rainbow marshmallows. And then you need some sprinkles, whatever kind you want. I'm just going to use these little sprinkles, and then I have some purple and yellow and blue and orange just sanding sugar that I'm going to sprinkle on the top. And that's it. That's all you need. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, line a 9 by 13 baking dish with parchment paper and set that to the side. And then we are going to go ahead and melt our white chocolate chips. So I'm just going to put those into the microwave for about a minute, check on them, and then do them in 30-second increments, just stirring in between. You want to make sure that your white chocolate does not burn. Alright, my white chocolate is melted, so I'm going to quickly add my 3 cups of marshmallows to that and just give them a good stir and pour them into my prepared pan. Alright, my marshmallows are all coated and I just transfer them into my prepared pan and I just spread them out with my spatula as best I could. Mine doesn't go all the way to the end. And next we are going to go ahead and add our sprinkles and get those into the freezer for 20 minutes before any more of your marshmallows melt. You don't want all your marshmallows to be melted from the white chocolate. Alright, I added all my sprinkles and I just decided not to use the orange, no big deal. But I am going to go ahead and put that in the freezer for 20 minutes. Alright, my marshmallow bark just came out of the freezer, so now I'm going to try to bring it up to room temperature and cut some little egg shapes out of it. If you want to cut some shapes out of it, or you could cut it into bars, or you could just break it like bark, which who knows, that's what I might end up doing, depending on how this goes. So we'll see in about 10 minutes, 10 or so minutes. Alright, I just broke all my bark up into kind of tiny pieces. I mean, they're about bite size or a little bigger. That way you can just come in and grab one and have a little taste instead of something big. Like you could use the cookie cutters, but I just decided not to do that. I decided just to have it like regular bark. So we will see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. There ain't no remote. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Easter!